Hey ladies, this video is going to show you how to generally navigate Mary Kay Intouch. So you see us here at our login page. You're going to type in your consultant number, password, and go ahead and log in. Once you're in here, the main page has a lot of stuff on it. Don't be overwhelmed. A lot of it is news. A lot of it is things you won't use very often. I want to show you some main areas that you'll be working out of. The first one, which is kind of to quickly check your status, your sales, if you have reminders, prize action items, is right here under action items. If you click on this, it's going to give you a little summary of your unit production, if you have any reminders, things to do, if you need to select prizes, things like that. This is one of the first things that I check when I get on Intouch myself. Up here we have a bunch of tabs. You'll mainly stay within ordering and business tools. As a new consultant, there are a lot of other great resources over here. Once you're a seasoned consultant, you probably won't see yourself using these that much unless you're just a little bit bored and want to learn something new. So we'll start out over here. The ordering tab, this is where you go to create orders. So you can create a new cosmetic order. You can retrieve a saved one that you haven't submitted yet. Check order status, look at customer delivery service, which is the shipping service if somebody orders on your website, order seminar souvenirs, a bunch of other things, and you'll see certain things on here that are for Alicia's website that you as a consultant may not see. This is also how you get to MK Connections to order business cards, business supplies, stickers, labels, all sorts of things like that. There's actually another video that shows you how to navigate MK Connections. ProPay, this is where you're going to go to accept credit cards. Once again, there's another video that shows you how to log in and do that. Product replacement is if somebody gets something and they either don't like it or it broke. Order forms if you need like the paper order form, and then just a lot of other things that you may or may not use in ordering tab. The business tools is the next one over. This first section is all about your customers and collateral that you may use for them, things you can print off, newsletters, you can send them cards right here, like little product reminders just to say hello, birthday greetings, catalogs, just lots of ideas. Right here is how you sign up for your personal website if you haven't already. Preferred customer program, that's how you send out the books with the samples in them, and you can choose which customers to send those out a few times a year. Down here, this is things that you're going to use in your business, so things that you need to complete. Once again there, how to order things, the link to sign up for the Chase MK Rewards card. Once again, some more consultants e-cards. My business, this is a really nice tab with a lot of summaries. You can check your production. If you have consultants under you, show a list of those, navigate through them, sort them out. Any contests that you may be eligible for, the rules show up here. A bunch of reports where you can check like star status, things like that. Calendar, if you use that, that's something that'll show up. Your reminders from your calendar will also show up in your action items here and over on the main screen. My customers, this is where you go to manage your customer database. There is another training video on that as well that shows you how to actually do that. Online agreements is where you're going to create new agreements, look at pending ones, view the ones that you've sent out, stuff like that. New consultants, this is a place where you can get familiar with your starter kit and the things in it. And then weekly accomplishments, this is where you can enter and track weekly accomplishments. You can also print them off. So you can either do it online, print them off, and track them that way. Next tab is products. New consultants, this is a really great tab for you guys. You can get color advanced, what's it called? Advanced Color Certified. Product Central has a lot of product knowledge like ingredients and order of application, things like that. Education, once again, just a lot of tools that you may be able to use that may be relevant to you for anything you need to learn, really. You can click on that. Contests and promotions, once again, just shows kind of the rules and what's out there, how you can kind of maximize your business and earn a lot of great stuff. resources. This is just a bunch of other things that you may need once in a while. Legal department, DIQ program, what you can and can't do for advertising, things like that. Events, this just shows a bunch of upcoming events, anything that's kind of in the works, so big conferences like that. This is kind of a cool tab. It shows you a lot of kind of the history of Mary Kay. And then the very last tab over here, the video lounge, this is where you can see some great like how-to videos, inspirational videos, just all sorts of stuff. Moving on, this section right here, this is news. So anything you might need to know, like you see that they're phasing out something. This is talking about some new products that are out, just things like that. They'll kind of keep you updated here. You can add some favorite links here, places you go a lot. The Let's Talk area, that's basically a forum that consultants, directors can chat on, exchange ideas, let people know about certain things, stuff like that. This is just once again kind of your current products and promotions and events and things that are out. Kind of the same thing with this down here. It shows you like what's out. Whoops. It shows you what's out, and you have power classes every month you can do, see what's new, just a bunch of current events. This down here, this is a bunch of ways to share it on social media. So I hope that kind of helps you get a little bit more familiar with Intouch. The more you use it, the more comfortable you'll be. And check out the other videos on how to order business cards and stuff through MK Connections, how to navigate ProPay, how to manage your customer database, and how to place inventory orders. There's also videos for all of those.